subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Oppo has launched its new smartphone under A series in India called Oppo A78 with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A78 5G features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 89.8% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 M2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo A78 5G supports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that includes 150MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box with ColorOS 13 screen on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IPX4 certified for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.1 by 7.9mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A78 5G has been priced in India at 18,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale starting from January 18th in glowing blue and glowing black color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A78 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole by tips and for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.